Do you want to keep your apps private? In this video, I will show you the best 2 ways to hide your apps on Android phones. So, to know how to do this, just follow me step by step. First thing you have to do is you have to go to settings, as you see, and you will enter. Then in this page you will scrolling down until you reach the home screen. As you see, home screen, layout, app, icon, pages. So you will enter to this page. Then here in this window you will go to a window called hide apps on home and apps screens. So you will click here. As you see, you will enter, and after that here you will find a lot of apps. You will find all your apps on Android phones, so you can choose any app you want to hide. For example, if you want to hide Canva app, so you will click here and you will click selected, so you will click on done, and then here you will not find your Canva app at all, as you see. So if you want to return the app to show up again, you can go back again to settings. You will find again here hide apps on home and app screens, and you will click here on this sign to cancel the hidden, and you will click on done. And after that, when you will go back, you will find Canva app here, as you see. This is the first method to hide apps on settings or Android without using any app. Just hide it without deleting the app. So let's move to the second method. Second method is to go to this app of X icon changer, as you see, and you will click here. Here, as you see, they will give you here, please choose an app, so you can choose any app you want. You can write it, or you can simply click on it. For example, here let's choose Canva app, and here you can find change icon or add launch GIF, so you can choose any icon you want, or also you can choose a photo from gallery or anything you want here. For example, let's change it to this icon of phone, and you can also change the name. Instead of writing Canva, you can write phone like this. Here you will write phone in this way, and after that you click on OK, and as you see here, it will be changed like this. You will find it here, add to home screen, and as you see, you will find it on home screen in that way here. So we click, and you will find your Canva app without knowing, without others know that this is a Canva app and not another app. So finally, if this video is helpful for you, and if you are enjoying watching this video, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.